So today in this video we will going to see all the different conditions for two triangles having one equal heights, second equal bases, and third equal heights and equal bases both present in a triangles. So the first condition, when the two triangles have equal heights, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So H1 equals to H2, and the ratio of the area, if the area A1 and A2 are the area of the two triangles, then A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2, where B1 and B2 are the bases, corresponding bases of the two triangles. So let us see the condition now. The condition of two triangles having equal heights will be first one here. The two triangles lies between same pair of parallel lines. That means the two different triangles are there. They are lying in the same pair of parallel lines. Let us see here. Line AP parallel to line BR, and the triangle ABC and triangle PQR lying between the parallel line AP and BR. The two triangles are lying in a same pair of parallel line, and you know that the perpendicular distance between the same pair of parallel lines remain constant, remain same. Therefore, the heights of these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, will be same. Their bases are different, that is BC and QR. BC is indicated by B1 and QR is indicated by B2. Here are the heights AM and PN, because from vertex A we have drawn perpendicular on its opposite side BC. So AM and PM are the heights of the two given triangles, and as I said, perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines remain constant. It means H1 equals to H2. Correct? Therefore, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 will become B1 upon B2. Let us go for the next condition. So we have next condition as two triangle with collinear base and common vertex outside it. See here, triangle ABD and triangle ADC. They have BD and C are collinear. So BD and DC are collinear base, and point A is a common vertex outside collinear base BDC. So we have base of one triangle as BD, which is indicated by B1, and DC indicated by B2. So we will going to draw again perpendicular from point A to its opposite side BC. If I take triangle ABC, because BD and DC are collinear. As you know, one and only one perpendicular can be drawn from point A on side BC. That means AM will remain altitude for triangle ABD and triangle ADC both. So H1 and H2 will remain there for triangle ABD and triangle ADC. As you can see here, the common altitude is drawn from the common vertex to its opposite side. Therefore, H1 will be equals to H2. Got it? and therefore ratio of the area of the two triangle, that is A1 upon A2, will be equals to B1 upon B2. Now we will see the second part here. The ratio of the area of two triangle with equal bases is equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights. That means they have equal bases. Let us see now. Can you observe this diagram? In this we have two triangles which are named triangle ABC and triangle DCB. Both are right angle. Therefore, both the triangles have BC as a common base, because in triangle ABC, from A you have drawn perpendicular on BC, so you got AB. You can see the sign of perpendicular. So therefore, B1 of triangle ABC and B2 of triangle DCB are equal, and therefore ratio of the area will become ratio of their corresponding height, that is A1 upon A2 equals to H1 upon H2. So we will see this presentation now. B1 is equals to B2, and then H1 upon H2, how it indicates, that you can see here. Clear? So the same way, the same diagram you can have by this way also. See here. Triangle ABC and triangle BCD. Same method, same way. The two triangles having their altitude on common side of a triangles are equal, and that is why the base are same. Here again bases are same. Therefore, height you will get A1 upon A2 equals to H1 upon H2. Let us see about the next quantity. The ratio of the area of two triangle with equal heights and equal bases is equals to 1. Means the two triangle will have equal heights and their corresponding bases also will remain same. So let us see here, H1 equals to H2 and B1 equals to B2. Therefore, the ratio of the area, that is A1 upon A2, will become equals to 1. Now let us see conditions. Yes, first condition, see here. The median of a triangle is drawn. See here, triangle ABC, when median AD is drawn, you know that median divides the opposite side in two equal parts. So you can see here triangle ABD and triangle ADC, where we have BD and DC. D is the midpoint, therefore BD will be equals to DC. See here, B1 equals to B2, so it will go there. Okay, now we will talk about H1. Just now you have seen that one and only one altitude, that is height, can be drawn from point A on BC, that is BD and DC. Therefore, H1 will be equals to H2. So you will get H1 and H2 also became equal, B1 and B2 also became equal. Therefore, ratio of the area will become equals to 1. Let us see the second property. Here we have the two triangles lies between the same pair of parallel line and they have common basis. Okay, so here triangle ABC and triangle DBC, they are lying in the same pair of parallel line. The parallel lines are AD and line BC. Line blue and line green are the parallel lines. So triangle ABC and triangle DBC will have equal height. Why? Because the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines remains same. So the perpendicular, if you draw from point A on BC, will be equals to the perpendicular drawn from D on side BC. Therefore, also we have common base, that is BC for both the triangles. So B1 equals to B2, and we have as you have seen h1 equals to h2, so therefore h1 will become h2. Now when the bases and the heights are equal, what you will get the ratio of the area? Ratio of the area of A1 upon A2 will be equals to 1. I hope the different conditions in which the two triangles are having equal bases, equal heights and equal base and heights are clear to you. Thank you and see you next time.